This onboard system is specifically designed for air suspension but can also be used with any high-pressure air horn or power tool that requires an onboard air system. Comes with a 4-gallon pancake steel air tank featuring 8 air ports, two 200 PSI heavy-duty chrome-look air compressors with remote filter kits, pressure switch, drain valve, heavy-duty 40 Ampere relays with pre-wired plugs, 60 Ampere inline fuse with waterproof holder, 40 Ampere inline fuses and mounting hardware. This system will set your vehicle above the rest.